Hey guys, welcome to Melody Star Videos. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing! Yay! So we're gonna be unboxing this BOXY Girls fashion pet. So here it says pets, like right there, if it will focus. Anyway, so it's like BOXY Girl pet. And we got like two boxes, like we got this small box here, and we got this big box. I wonder what's inside. And this is Lulu. It doesn't really say here. Okay, so here's Lulu. If it would focus, but that's Lulu. And we're gonna be opening this right now. So I got my scissors. So let's open it. Okay, so I'm gonna start from up here. Okay, so I opened the bottom here. So I'm just gonna rip this open. Okay, that's really bad opening right there. Oh, but we're getting there. Let's just take my scissors here and just cutting that. Now, be back. Okay, so I got this much, and I'm planning on to just rip it, and I am struggling. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's in here. Oh my gosh, look at this! So cute. So we're gonna get like the pet out first here. So, oh look, there's a little box. Never mind. Oh. I think we're going to save these two last. We got another box. This one's big and heavy. That's really cute. It's like a little, I don't know, scanning thing. Okay, so we got a little dog here. Oh, here he is. Look at him. He's so cute. Oh, look, he's a monkey. Well, I already knew that, but he's a cute little monkey. Oh, look at his golden eyes. So pretty. I wish I had. But he is so cute. Like, look at him. He is a blind bag pet, so he is pretty simple. He's really cute. I love him. He's kind of like an LPS, so like. Here I have an LPS. It's like almost the same. I love it. And it's also like bobblehead. It's like bobbly. Ooh. Oh yeah, this girl's flying around. But look at it. It's like an actual LPS. Maybe they copied it off an LPS. I don't know. But that really looks cute. I really love this one. Now on to the boxes. So I got this big box here. We're going to save that for last, and we're going to open this small box. I really don't want to keep this boxes, so I'm going to go there. Oh, look! There's like slime is so like the tissue paper, and then here. Oh, we have like this little banana. And we have this little cloth. Oh, that's really cute. I'm just going to try putting it on this side, and I'll be back. I think I put it on him well. Him or her. It looks more like a girl. Okay, now onto the big box. I'm so excited about this one. And I'll be careful. There's like a tape right here. I'm just trying to open that. Okay, so I got this to open, so it's like this. So we're gonna open this. Ooh, like another tissue paper in here. I'm so excited about this one. Ooh, we got a little hat in here. That is so cute. What else we got? Oh, like a little chair. That's really cute. Is this open? No, it doesn't. Oh, that is so cute. Like you can actually sit on here. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. And of course, I will save these boxes. But their little outfit. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, that is just adorable. Oh my, am I a pretty one? Oh, I love her. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I really like her clothing. It's gonna be like really good for LPS, like this guy. Oh, or my mascot actually. My mascot kind of looks like her. Kinda, but she's like way taller and she's like a dog. She's like a Cocker Spaniel because I do kind of look like a Cocker Spaniel. But this is a monkey, so I don't know if it'll actually fit on an LPS, but I'll try it in a different video. And I am so excited. I did like a unboxing video. Ooh, I love this. Oh, look at her. Look at her sweet face. Ah. Okay, the lighting got really light for some reason. I'm sorry about that, but I just love her clothing. Just take a look at her. Oh. I think my mascot can actually sit on here. Oh, never mind. Okay. That is not what there. Just my crafts. And she's laying down. But, like, oh my gosh. She is so cute. So, to make this video a bit more fun, we're just going to take pets off here. And we're going to put it right there. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's like driving. By the way, this is my new craft I made. It's like a car. It's really cute. And there's like a map here. Let me just map right there. It is just so adorable. Like the pets can look at it. Woo, and go where they're supposed to go. I think that is really adorable. But obviously, this is much more cuter than the car. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah. Bye.